Have you ever wanted to forward calls on your iPhone but didn't know how? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily enable call forwarding so you never miss an important call, no matter where you are. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new tutorial. So, the first thing you need to do is open the settings on your phone. Once you're in settings, the next step is to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a section called Apps. Tap on it to open it. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. Scroll through the list and find the phone app. Then tap on it, and it will open the settings page for the phone app. When you're on the phone settings page, you'll see a lot of options. Scroll down a bit and find the option called Call Forwarding. Tap on it. Now, in this section, the first thing you need to do is tap the switch next to Call Forwarding to enable it. Once you've done that, immediately below, you'll see an option called Forward to. Tap on it. Now, in the field, enter the number you want to forward your calls to. It can be another mobile number, a landline, or even a voicemail number. When entering the number for call forwarding on your iPhone, make sure to include the country's calling code, as well as the phone number. After entering the number, go back one step and swipe down to refresh the page. After that, in the section next to Forward to, you'll see the number you entered. Now, every call that comes to your iPhone will be automatically forwarded to the number you selected. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel, MobiTechStar. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.